the strongest creatures exhibition in Japan. A reporter from the Daily ESL visited the strongest creatures exhibition at Nakagawa Aquatic Park in Tochigi, Japan. The event was both interesting and enjoyable for visitors of all ages. The aquarium building has a beautiful glass dome and is surrounded by quiet water gardens. Inside, the entrance area has a wooden fish sculpture, colourful artwork, and even tickets with fish designs. Everything felt well prepared and carefully planned. The exhibition shows animals with special survival skills. Some animals are colourful and rare, while others come from local rivers. Visitors can also see animals that do not live in water, such as frogs, lizards, a parrot, a capybara, and even a sloth. One of the most exciting displays is a large killer whale skeleton. Behind it, there is a picture of a whale to help people imagine what it looked like when alive. Another popular part is the tardigrade display, where visitors can see tiny water bears moving on a screen through a microscope. Although the exhibition includes games for children, it is also great for adults. One game lets kids catch toy fish with magnets and win small prizes. The whole event has a calm and friendly feeling. Some displays are fun, but others are surprising. One example is the spotted garden eels, long fish that rise up from the sand and move side to side. Some people think they are cute, but others find them a bit strange. In the end, the Daily ESL recommends this exhibition for a weekend trip. It is not a large aquarium, but there is a lot to see and learn. The park outside has flowers, lotus plants, and a nice place to walk. It is a great way to spend the afternoon.